Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be starting the what's sold on eBay and Mercari. So this week is actually Monday right now, so we didn't get any orders on Sunday, which is totally fine. Today we have one orator, and it is a plush that I recently just picked up at Goodwill, and it is How to Train Your Dragon. And let me just show you guys. Look, isn't he just the cutest? I love him. I actually have a Build-A-Bear that is like this dragon from How to Train Your Dragon, and I am totally blanking on what his name is. Toothless. Toothless is his name. But anyways, so he is cute. He's used, of course. He's not brand new. He doesn't have the tag or anything, but he is stamped with the B&B, which is Build-A-Bear. Also, he has the little wings. Now, I have seen the ones mostly on eBay that has the red tail, and he does not have a red tail. He has a black tail, and this is from 2019. I think the earlier ones was the one with the red tail, but he has the black tail. Anyways, perfect condition, no tears, no holes, as you can see. But anyway, so he was $2.99 and I sold him for $18 plus shipping, which should be around a pound or a little bit more. So I did put he picked priority mail, he or she picked priority mail. And I charge $6.50 for the shipping and handling. So this is what he looks like. Isn't Toothless so cute? He is my favorite character. There's actually one other dragon that I actually really like, and he's kind of like the one that's not the brightest one, but he is still cute. So anyways, but yeah, this is our first sale for this week. Yeah, but anyways, I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, it's Shirley, and you know, it is Wednesday. It's been very slow. I've had a couple of offers and everything. Some of them declined, and some of them I counter offered and they declined, which is fine. I've been getting like a lot of low offers. So like, just for example, which this is not what happened to me. I'm just, giving an example. Say if I listed something for $20 and then somebody say, or send me an offer for, I don't know, like $8, $10. That's kind of a low offer to me, but it just all depends on what the item is. Again, that is not one of the scenarios. I'm just not going to go too deep into it, but yeah, that's the reason why it's a very slow week. A lot of counter offers, a lot of declines. But one of them I did not decline, which is this cute little Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus. And it is the Jolly Old Elf brand. It has the sticker and everything still. I got this in the same lot. I think I got 3 Jolly Old Elves little figurines. I sold one of them before. I think I sold one of them for like $18. This one does not have the box in it. The first one, well, 2 of them out of 2 out of the 3 do have the boxes. This one doesn't. And I listed this at $15. It's like very good condition, no cracks or anything. And then somebody sent me an offer for $10, and I went ahead and accepted it. I've had this on for maybe 2 months now. So, and it's getting close to Christmas, and I just accepted it. This is going to be lightweight. It's not going to be over 5 pounds. So I think I put the shipping around $5, probably less than $5, but it's going to be, I think I listed it at like $5.50, which is probably going to be the situation here. But yeah, so I paid $2.50 for this because it was 50% off at a yard sale that I purchased that. And I just have too many Santa figurines to even be able to display everything. So I listed this for $15, and then I got an offer for $10, and I accepted it with plus shipping. So the buyer is going to be paying for shipping. But yeah, so still a slow week. This is only our second item that we sold this week, but it's also because I haven't listed anything. I've been very lazy. So, and then we're about to have really bad weather here in lower Alabama. So I'm trying to get this wrapped up and ready for tomorrow before my lights go out. And yeah, but anyways, I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, it's Thursday and we have one order that is going out on eBay, and it is one of these master locks again. I did sell one of these a couple of weeks ago for $13 and I relisted it for $13 just a couple of days ago, and it's sold plus shipping, which shipping is going to be roughly around $5, $5.50. I can't remember the exact shipping, the shipping price for that. But yeah, so we only have one order again. My goal for this weekend is to list as much stuff as possible on Friday and Saturday and possibly Sunday. But also, I don't know if I am just going to upload this video on Sunday if I don't get any more sales, or just combine it for 2 weeks and see if we get more sales in that. So the video will be a little bit longer, but we shall see. Anyways, like I said, paid $5, turned this into $13 plus shipping, and that's it for Thursday, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, it is Saturday and we are actually going to end the video, but we did have 2 sales that I just got in probably less than an hour from each other, right off of eBay, and I'm going to show you guys those. One of them is a glass and the other one is kind of like a collectible item. Well, I guess the glass can be collectible as well. But the first one is this Christmas Starbucks mug. It is from 2019. It says it at the bottom. It is at 18 fluid ounces. I have no idea when and where and how much I got this cup from. I believe I got it from the Goodwill, most likely. If it's from the Goodwill, it's probably $1.99 is when I picked it up. Or it could also be from a yard sale. I have no idea. I do not remember. And I don't even know if it's in my little book that I keep, like my inventory, because I just started doing my inventory maybe in August, like writing it down instead of putting it on the computer. So I'm not sure where it's at. So I'm gonna have to do my research on that. But so this Starbucks mug, I listed it for $11.99 and it sold for that price, the asking price of $11.99. And plus it's going to be going as priority mail because it is going to be way past a pound, probably like a pound and I don't know, pound and 10 ounces or so, maybe closer to 2 ounces, depending, or 2 pounds, depending on how much of a package that I do. But yeah, so this sold for $11.99 plus shipping. And then the other one I got, this was probably one of the very last yard sales that I went to, was probably back in November. And I actually did a video on this maybe a couple of weeks ago, probably a month or so ago, on what I got from a yard sale and everything, and this was actually included. So this is the classic cruiser. This was $6 at a yard sale, and they had it for like 60% off, not 60% off, 50% off. So I only paid $3 for this, and I think I originally listed this for $16, but then I sent an offer for $13 and it was accepted. It should be less than a pound, so it should be around $5.50. That is how much I calculated for the buyer to pay. But yeah, so it's the classic cruiser. It's a model. You put it together and everything. It's sealed and all that stuff. But anyway, so this sold. I paid $3, like I said. Was $16, and then I sent an offer for $13 and it sold. So technically I made like a $10 profit, which is totally fine. Any profit is profit to me. But anyways, so those are the last 2 items. So this week was a little slow this week, only because I feel like we had a really good week a couple of weeks ago and people were buying Christmas presents and everything. I feel like it's probably going to go slower because Christmas is approaching. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have already finished finished Christmas shopping, but I also haven't been uploading a lot of the items off of eBay and Mercari. I've only uploaded on Sundays, which I need to change that. I was going to upload some stuff today on Saturday, but I didn't because I decided to go to work, get some extra money, extra cash for Christmas. And also I took my nephew to go see Santa, and also to go see Christmas lights. So it was very, very busy day for me. So I did not get any of the listings up today, but hopefully I can do it tomorrow. I'm determined to do it. But anyway, so that is it for this week of what sold for on eBay and Mercari. Nothing from Mercari, only from eBay, which is totally fine. I hope y'all enjoy these videos. I absolutely love doing these videos and just seeing what sold every single week, how much profit I make, how much profit I lost. Should I have picked it up? Should I have not picked it up? Those are the questions that I ask myself every single week. But anyways, I thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a new video or on the next sale.